Ever gotten an e-transfer and wondered, can I put this on my Koho? Well, you're not alone. Let's dive into the world of e-transfers and Koho and figure out how to make these two financial buddies play nice together. Now, Koho is a fantastic tool for managing your money. It's like a digital wallet with some serious perks. And e-transfers? They're the quick and easy way to send and receive cash. So, it's only natural to want to combine the two. First things first, let's talk about the different ways you can receive an e-transfer on Koho. There are primarily three methods. Method 1, using your unique Koho email address. Think of this as your personal money magnet. Every Koho account has a special email address just for receiving e-transfers. It's like having a secret code for your cash. To find this magical email, simply log into your Koho app, tap on Add Money, then e-transfer, and voila! There it is. Copy and paste this email address into the recipient field when someone's sending you money. It's as easy as that. Method 2, set up auto deposit. If you're expecting regular e-transfers, auto deposit is your new best friend. It's like training your money to find its way home. To set this up, go to your Koho app, tap Add Money, then e-transfer, and scroll down to Personal. There, you'll find the option to set up auto deposit. Verify your email, and boom! Every e-transfer sent to that email will automatically land in your Koho account. Method 3, the Interact portal. Sometimes, life throws curveballs. Maybe someone sent you an e-transfer without using your Koho email. Fear not, the Interact portal is your backup plan. You can log into the Interact portal, accept the e-transfer, and then choose to deposit the funds into your Koho account. It's a bit more steps, but it gets the job done. Now, let's talk about some common questions. First, how long does it take for an e-transfer to hit your Koho? Well, that depends on the method. If you used your unique Koho email or auto deposit, it's usually instant. But if you went through the Interact portal, it might take a few minutes. Next, what if the e-transfer doesn't show up? Double-check the email address, make sure there were no typos. If everything looks good, contact your bank or Koho support for assistance. And finally, can anyone send you money on Koho? Technically, yes, but there are some conditions. Your Koho account needs to be fully verified, and you need an activated physical card. So there you have it, a breakdown of how to receive e-transfers on Koho. It's a simple process that can save you time and effort. Remember, always double-check the details to avoid any hiccups. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.